This is your Mad Yogi Aileen welcoming you to the Libra Yoga Flow. So this is the short version of our Libra Flow. It's a component of the full flow, yeah? As you can see, at the risk of stating the obvious, I do have two mats here, which I have placed in a cross position. But you can also do this without this secondary mat. You will be placing your hands on your floor. Just please be aware of your own body weight during the flow. Avoid, slipping. I don't want you to hurt yourself. So keep yourself safe if you don't have that secondary mat. But you will be able to do this as well, yeah? So we are going to come into a wide-legged stance. Roll your shoulders. Good. Bend your knees. Goddess stance, yeah? Bending your knees. Deep, full breath. Rolling your shoulders. From here, lead with the crown of your head. Come into a forward fold. Wide-legged forward fold. Bring your hands down on the mat. A la plank, yeah? So the hands are a la plank. From here, let your head go. Bend your elbows to the back. Breathing here. Before we come into our proper pose, from this pose, just bend your knees side to side. Allow your shoulders, your wrists, your elbows, your ankles, your knees, your hips to soften. Again, my visual for this is holding on to a piece of string on either end and twirling it, yeah? Or a wet noodle. You can also imagine your limbs as wet noodles. From here, stop at center. Extend your arms forward. With your knees bent, arms extending forward, distribute your body weight. From here, push through the length of your back into your arms, into the circles of your hands, and lengthen out your legs. Deep, full breath. I will just pop off my mat and show you sideways what I mean. So from wide-legged stance with your hands in line with your feet, you are extending your arms forward and pushing through your legs and through your arms. This is what I call my pyramid dog. Feel as if you're being pulled to the back. Don't lock your knees. This is a short stance because the line of your hands and the line of your feet are closer to each other. So short stance, wide-legged, obviously, downward facing dog. And again, I also call this my pyramid dog. From here, I'll just reset myself. From here, bend your right knee. Drift your body weight to the right. Trying to anchor your hands and your feet where they are. So we're just drifting the body weight to the right side first. Push through your legs and push through your back and your arms. Come back to your pyramid dog. Bend your left knee. Drifting the body weight to the left. So the legs feel like they're in a side lunge. Your body and your arms feel like they're in a downward facing dog. Push through your legs, back to center, and let's make this smooth. Right side, center, left side, center. Keep adjusting your legs to a nice width that you can still enjoy the movement without giving yourself stress that your stance is too wide, yeah? So side to side. Now let's move a little bit more and come into my circling dog. So from here, bend your right knee, drifting to the right side. Circle your body up the right side and to center. Now feel for your body here. It feels like a wide-legged plank. Yeah? It feels like a wide-legged plank. Soften your knees and drift down the left side and push back to center. Left side, side lunge. Circle up the left side, center, circle down the right side, and center. And a few more. Right side, circling center, down the left, center. Left side, circle up the left, center, down the right, center. One more. Right side. Don't rush. Enjoy the movement of your body. Center, pyramid dog, circling dog up the left, center, down the right, and center. Bend your knees. Walk your feet just a tiny bit closer. Walk your hands in line with your feet. Let the head go. Now I have my straps here. You can also do this next one without a strap if you want to bind with your fingers. Just a word of caution that this is quite strong for the bound arm. Yeah, you're welcome to pause yourself and watch this and then come back, rewind a bit, come back and join me. Yeah? From here, strap in the left hand. We're going to do the right. Strap in the left hand, bring your arm and strap around the back waist. Your right arm comes underneath your right leg, not center in the body under your crotch, but under your thigh, under your hamstrings. Hold on to your strap or monkey grip, if you can monkey grip. And this is already very strong, yeah? Stay here. If you opt to stay, this is quite a longish hold, but if you want to move, drift your body weight to the right side. You are squeezing your arm. So please be careful with your shoulder joints here, your rotator cuff. Push to your right leg, drift to the left side. From a strong compression, we've come to a strong lengthening. To the left, to the right side once again, and to the left. So we're drifting side to side once again, but this time the right arm is strongly bound. So please be careful with this, yeah? It's quite a strong bind. From here, stop back at center. Release your arms, hands down on the mat, a la plank. Bring your body weight to the right side and bring your hands with it. Curl up your left leg, strong foundations here, curl up your left leg and step it out to the right side in a curtsy lunge. Now, if this pose is too deep for you, you're welcome to use your stool or blocks, yeah? Right arm waves up in a curtsy lunge. You're reaching up towards the ceiling. Top arm circles back, down, step your left leg out, remove your stool or your blocks. Make sure your strap is within reach. Knees bend. Widen your stance once again. Extend your arms forward once again and push through your back, your arms, your legs, and come back to this pyramid dog. The sensation here, once again, is as if someone's pulling you towards the back. Drift your body weight to the left side first. This time, this round. Push through your left leg, center, right side. Center, left side. Center, right side. And a few more in your own time, your own pace, coming side to side. Now let's do our circling dog. Come to the left side, side lunge left, circle up the left side, center. Pause here, just get used to the position of the body. Once again, it's a wide-legged plank. Yeah, it feels like a wide-legged plank. Soften your knees, circle down the right side, push back to center. Right side, circling up, center, circle down, pyramid dog, and a few more. Deep, full breath. I hope you've put on your favorite playlist. That's the reason my classes, our Yoga classes, don't have music, yeah? Because I want you to customize your class to what suits you. That's why we have a lot of modifications, and that's why I want you to put on your own playlist, your own music. And yes, I'm talking to keep you moving still. Last one, up the left, for myself at least, center, down the right, center. Bend your knees, walk your hands in line with your feet, and pare back the distance of your feet. Walk your feet just a little bit more closer until you feel nice and stable. Hold on to your strap with your right hand. Bring that arm around the back waist. Left arm under the left thigh, under the left leg, not in the middle, yeah? Not under your crotch. Hold on to your strap, or if you can monkey grip, monkey grip. But again, word of caution, this is quite strong. Body weight, small side lunge to the left side. Strong compression for that arm. It also helps with the bind, yeah? Push through your left leg, center, and to the right side. Center, left. Center, right. Center, left side. Center, right side. And just side to side. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. And come back to center. Release your arms. Support yourself. Side lunge to the left side. Bring your plank arms with you. Yeah, bring your plank arms with you. Strong foundations here. Curl your right leg up and step it out to the left side in a curtsy lunge. With or without a block under your right hand, left arm waves up. Breathing. Whew. Hair all over the place. Breathing here. Top arm circles back, down, step in the middle of your mat, and sit down. Let's do some cobbler's pose spinal waves. Hold on to your toes, the blades of your feet. You can also interlace your hands and cup your toes, or hold on to your ankles, or any point on your shins. Catch your breath. Close your eyes. Allow your body to soften during your anchoring and transition phase. And then let's do some spinal waves here. Belly in and up. chest up, head up. We have a workshop on this one, by the way. So please refer to that so that when you come to this pose in our Libra Flow or any of our other classes, you know your options. Soften, curve the belly, waving up. Exhale, a little bit forward, accentuating the movement of the spine. Lengthen up, forward, curve the belly in, lengthen up. And just a few more, and I will do it sideways. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward, down, scooping back, lengthening up. Also activate your upper back here as well, yeah? Soften the body as you melt forward and down, waving up, activating the body. Last one, forward and down, soften, and inhale, lengthen yourself up. Closing the eyes even if you want to. And soften the body without curving the back, without collapsing. And if you want a short Shavasana for yourself, you're welcome to lie down on the mat and come into your Shavasana. If you want to skip Shavasana, which is totally fine, come to a Siddhasana. The workshop of this is with the Baddha Konasana, the cobbler's pose workshop as well. Roll your shoulders, deep full breath, just to acclimate yourself back to the waking world, the life of the mat, yeah? And then when you feel ready, you can pop off the mat and get on with your day. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you in the next class. Bye! Well done on finishing your class. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you want ad-free premium versions of this class, the entire library of classes, not all of the channels are going to appear here on YouTube, and the course and workshop channels as well, and the workshop sheets, some of which are exclusive to the Mad Yogi Club members. So come and join me on our website, madyogi.net, and I will see you in the next class. Bye!